For all film related interviews, content, and reviews, please subscribe to Pooja Talwar. Thank you so much for speaking to me, Ehsaas and Shrishti, because I was speaking to the youngsters. I mean, I'm way older than you all. They were maha excited that I had the two of you. So, how are you both dealing with this fame and being like the poster girls of cool? Yeah.
Ehsaas should answer this first.
What? Why? I think it's very surreal because it feels very great, and also to see us on the posters of such brilliant shows, it feels like a dream come true. I mean, this is what I think I speak for both of us. This is what we both have uh, dreamt of, and this is what we both have really worked for, and this is what we both want. And there's so much more that we have to still have to achieve. So it feels amazing. We both are, I think, quite humble.
What about you, Shrishti?
It's very, very exciting, honestly, because when we shot for our first season, we had no clue that it would become such a big thing, and that time it was released on YouTube initially, so we were like, oh, acha, iske itne million view ho gaye, iske itne million view ho gaye. So we were, I mean, Ehsaas was very popular already, but all of us were already growing, and it was very, very exciting. So that's why season 2 is more special, because we already have a strong base, and now it's bursting out all over the country. So very, very excited.
मुझे एक बात बताओ, मैं गर्ल्स हॉस्टल का ट्रेलर देख रही थी, ऐसे ऐसे कुछ बदला नहीं है मेरे टाइम से. आई पास आउट ऑन कॉलेज लाइक इट्स नाउ what I don't even want to mention. I mean, the years that I passed out, you're even way younger than that. मसले same हैं. They're the same issues. Do you think millennials and Gen Z has other issues, or do you think the issues remain the same?
No, I think it's the same, because I was, see, एहसास छोटी है, मैं बीच में हूँ और आप ऐसा है ना, तो मैं भी थोड़े टाइम के लिए हॉस्टल में मतलब रही थी, और वहां पे मैंने यही पानी की इशू है, यही बाथरूम गंदा है, और लाइन लगी रहती है, कौन पहले जाएगा कौन बाद में जाएगा, कपड़े चोरी हो रहे हैं, ये सब अभी तक है. आई थिंक इट्स देयर.
Totally. Ehsaas, you tell me.
मतलब मैं तो कभी हॉस्टल में नहीं रही. आई हैव नेवर इवन लिव्ड अलोन फॉर दैट मैटर. तो मेरे लिए इश्यूज लाइफ के तो बहुत डिफरेंट हैं व्हेन इट कम्स टू, पर
बताओ ना आपके क्या इश्यूज हैं. बताओ ना आपके क्या इश्यूज हैं.
देखो, मैं आई स्टे विद माय मदर. आई हैव लिव्ड ऑल माय लाइफ विद माय मदर, सो देयर आर लाइक इश्यूज वेयर आई डोंट हैव अ रूम टू माय सेल्फ. सो दिस इज द बिगेस्ट इशू दैट आई हैव, दैट मेरा खुद का कमरा नहीं है अब तक. तो मेरी वो दिक्कत है. बट like when I read the script for the first time, even for the season 1, I was introduced to such issues. मुझे नहीं पता था कि हॉस्टल में छोटी छोटी जैसे स्विम सूट चोरी हो जाता है या ब्रा चोरी हो जाती है. So these things are very new to me as well. And then again the पानी का तो मेरे जैसे सृष्टि is also there. She's also not. Have you lived in a hostel before, like इतना लंबा तक?
इतना लंबा नहीं, बट मैं रुकी थी. हाँ, और तभी मैंने
थोड़ा सा रुके, तूने बताया मुझे. हाँ. Yeah, so like I have friends who've lived. My sisters lived in a hostel for like 10 years, or not 10 years, sorry, 5-6 years. ज़्यादा बोल दिया.
10 साल कौन हॉस्टल में. हाँ,
मैं थोड़ी पागल हूँ मैं. Maths. So हाँ, तो फिर then I've heard about these things, but I've never experienced. I think through Girls Hostel, through shooting all this, I was able to experience as much as I could.
तो मुझे एक बात बताओ, जो आप जेन ज़ी है ना, तो one wants to know their concerns. उनके क्या मसले हैं जिंदगी में? What are the concerns? I mean, see, every generation comes with its own issues. What is the issues that you feel are of importance with Gen Z and the millennials? What makes them anxious? What is it they want? How is it they want to be heard? Because I want to understand, because I feel मेरा generation gap है.
I feel like
I think social media definitely. हाँ, sorry.
नहीं, मैं exactly वही बोलने वाली थी. So basically I was just saying that social media and the amount of competitiveness that we feel, especially being in our field, it's very, very hard for us, because और हर आदमी सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत खुश लगता है और बहुत सक्सेसफुल लगता है और बहुत अमीर लगता है. तो हमें समझ ही नहीं आता कि हम सही कर रहे हैं गलत कर रहे हैं. So there's always this sense of oh you know, I want to be in this film, I want to do this web series, I want to make so much money, oh I should you know get this. So it's there's this constant need to do something to feel like you're successful so you can post it. So it's like a very scary loop. I think वो हमारे टाइम के लिए सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, और हम छूटता
Validation
भी
ना,
नहीं. Absolutely,
validation.
absolutely. Yeah.
एहसास आप बताओ, आप तो सोशल मीडिया सेंसेशन हो. आई नो, रिमेंबर एहसास once saying that she wants to be so popular कि stepping out becomes difficult for her. वो तो हो चुका
Yeah,
है.
well.
नहीं, अभी भी नहीं हुआ है वो. अभी मतलब थोड़ा सा है. It's almost there. It's not even almost there. I want on a very different level only, which I hopefully, I mean, I will work towards. But yeah, like I said, this is exactly what I was going to say, that social media is a very big problem. It's a blessing as well, but it's also a huge problem when it comes to validation, and it comes to also like there are, and not just validation, there are like people who are constantly putting you down. There will always be somebody or the other telling you something that is too brutal, because you know it's very easy, it's very accessible to people's feelings, right? I mean, social media in general. So it's like direct access to who you can to people, and you can just tell them whatever you want, and you can just get away with it. That's the thing with social media, कि मैं किसी को भी कुछ भी बोल देती हूँ, and I know for a fact that there is a very less chance that I will get into trouble. So the fact that you can get away with something so easily on social media is a huge problem, because it affects people like me, or like everybody in fact in general, a lot, on a very high level. जहाँ कुछ भी गलत बोल दिया कि तुम्हारी नाक अजीब सी है या तुम्हारा ये अजीब सा है, और वो हिट करता है आपको, क्योंकि वो मतलब डायरेक्ट एक्सेस है आपको. तो आई थिंक दैट इज अ बिग, सोशल मीडिया इन जनरल इज a problem, and everything is changing, everything is just so different right now. So I mean, people just trying to figure everything out is also not a problem per se, but just like something that people are going through, however.
सृष्टि, आपने
Also,
पिछले, हाँ जी,
हाँ,
नहीं
नहीं
बोलो
मुझे
बोलो.
एक चीज बतानी थी कि एक तो हम दोनों 20s के उसमें हैं, ठीक है, और उसमें हमारे साथ 2020 हो गया. तो anyway we are going through our transition phase in 20s, plus 2020 happened and we were at home with ourselves thinking about, oh my, and it was very tough. I think that was one very big problem that we've dealt with the past year. Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
because I think for your generation, you've created also so much. You're always in the eye. For us, maybe it was a time to take a back seat. Anxiety thi. But the younger generation, I thought, was more, they were far more creative and productive, yeah, compared to us. Or do you feel that not so?
I think everybody is just matlab, I've seen people who are like way too talented. Like there are content creators who think out of the box, and it's so brilliant. But there are, I mean, obviously क्योंकि social media, आप obviously phone पे रहते हो पूरा दिन, तो आपका दिमाग बंद हो जाता है. जैसे मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है, मेरा दिमाग बंद हो जाता है कई बार, that I'm always on, I'm just scrolling and everything just shuts down and I can't think at all. So that is there, but I think दोनों चीजें हैं, लोग somehow balance कर लेते हैं. मतलब ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि सिर्फ पहले के लोग काफी क्रिएटिव है. अपनी टाइप की क्रिएटिविटी मेरे ख्याल से आ गई है. It's evolved in a way, but I think it's there. Both the things are there.
I think everyone had their own way to deal with the time we had. So like I feel like lots of content creators, इतने सारे नए लोग आ गए, जैसे वो यशराज आ गया और रोनित आ गया, ऐसे बहुत लोग आए. But मेरे लिए वो था नहीं. It was not to make stuff and put it out. For me, it was about working on myself as an actor. So I worked out, I did my रियाज, मैं किताबें पढ़ती थी, मैं गाना गाती थी, परिवार के साथ लूडो खेलती थी. So that was my creative time, and it was very, very fulfilling.
और मैं एक और चीज पूछना चाहती हूँ, relationships in this generation. Are you people more free when it comes to it? Like एहसास कह रही थी, like there was a very interesting thing that I read about एहसास, like the boyfriend aspect, like the kind of man, you know, she would like to be impressed by. What is actually, how would you do, and also like the character in Girls Hostel says na abhi tak textual hai, so how
Mhm.
would you define relationship when everything is on social media, breakups and makeups, everything happened there? Is this generation far more romantic and liberated or not so?
I think this generation is absolutely not romantic, in my opinion. Uh, I
Absolutely,
feel
yeah.
it's just, and the fact that the thing is with me that I'm again like I'm 22 years old, but I'm very old school. And it only comes from my mother. I think it's because I've lived with her all my life, and it's just come from her, the way she thinks and the way she takes relationships and love. So for me, even though I belong to this generation, I am still very old school, and I feel like I see other people. It's just, it's. I mean, it's just so. It's bad for me. Like I think is relationship aspect for this generation for me is just really bad. Uh, but for me, I obviously look for, like I said in my previous interviews, I look for a person who understands me on a very deep level, and that's I think all I need. um, i I don't care about looks. I don't care about personality, maybe a little bit, but I don't care about looks at all, or age for that matter. I just want somebody who understands me and gets me and just takes care of me. That's it. I have fun with. That's all I look for.
Shrishti, batao.
इसलिए तो कुछ पता नहीं है मुझे मैं हो चुकी हूँ इधर उधर no I don't know I feel yeah relationships have become very fragile because I feel like people don't want to work on it और तुरंत निकल जाते हैं ऐसा मुझे लगता है but for me as a person I look for love that's it खत्म कहानी वहीं खत्म हो गई अगर मुझे प्यार मिल रहा है I'm in it अगर नहीं है तो टाटा बाय बाय it's as simple as that I don't think too much.
Chalo, that's nice. Also, now talking about the fact that Ehsas, she played a little boy in Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. And आपका तो fan struck moment मैंने देखा था, you know, from Girl Yappa and Malika Dua and Gulabo Sitabo. Both of you have had very interesting journeys. But what is the one thing that you still feel is a roadblock and a challenge for young people making their way in the industry? And what is it that you want to change? Like, what would you want to say? I mean, Srishti, आपने तो बोला था insecurities during auditions and the problems,
वो
issues.
हाँ वो पहले था मेरा काफी where I used to get really nervous during audition कि इतने सुंदर सुंदर लोग आते थे और तब मुझे समझ ही नहीं आते थे कि मैं इतनी खूबसूरती का मैं क्या करूं तो initially it was that then as my work started as it progressed I started understanding and believing my one second guys no I started trusting my craft and now I'm little more sure about my work the roadblock that I am facing right now is for example, Gulabo Sutabo released. And I got the amount of attention and the amount of love that I knew. I got Bachchan sir's letter. मतलब मेरा हो गया था कि भाई फोड़ दिया जीवन में. लेकिन लेकिन उसके बाद लॉकडाउन हो गया and everything stopped. So the work that I could have gotten immediately, I didn't. So now I feel like I have to start from scratch again. Of course, I get better calls for better roles, better auditions, but again you have to go through it. It's not like hi I want I'm writing for you and I want you to it's not like that so I have to go through that process again and again and it's I don't think it's going to stop till I hit where say Alia Bhatt is so it's constant restarting again and again which I think is a huge roadblock.
Ehsas, आप बताओ, was it easier as a child artist to make your way, or do you also had your share of struggles?
Uh, so I mean, it was definitely easy to get work, uh, and like gain a lot of experience and learn a lot. That was definitely that, and I feel very lucky that I started at such a young age. But see, for me, it's mera end goal hai heroine banna. I want to get into Bollywood and I want to become a proper Bollywood heroine. So for me, I think the blockage is like very it's out there. The fact that there are so many star kids who get projects that I might have auditioned for or ऐसे कई बार तो ऐसा होता है कि ऑडिशन तक नहीं आता और मतलब अपॉर्चुनिटी ही नहीं मिलती आपको मतलब अपने आप को प्रूव करने की बट देन एट द सेम टाइम ऐसा भी है कि आते हैं कॉल्स मतलब फिल्मों के आते हैं हर टाइप के रोल्स के ऑफर्स आते हैं बट जस्ट थोड़ा वो डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है क्योंकि आप स्टार किड नहीं हो और यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. सो आई थिंक दैट इज द ओनली ब्लॉकेज दैट आई रियली फेस. बट आई थिंक वो हर प्रोफेशन में स्ट्रगल होता है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट बीइंग एन एक्टर और इट्स नॉट जस्ट दिस जनरेशन. आई थिंक पहले पुराने मतलब पुराने जमाने के लोग भी मतलब उनको भी उतना ही स्ट्रगल करना था इंडस्ट्री में पहुंचने के लिए. डिफरेंट टाइप की स्ट्रगल थी तब, अब डिफरेंट टाइप की स्ट्रगल है, बट स्ट्रगल तो है.
ट्रू. सृष्टि ने बोला था उसका फैन स्ट्रक मोमेंट हो गया था जब विकी कौशल ने उसको टैग किया था और मिस्टर बच्चन ने भी उनको मैसेज लिखा. तो आप दोनों का सबसे वो स्टार स्ट्रक मोमेंट कहा था कि लाइक हाय तौबा. आई मीन एहसास ने तो शाहरुख खान एंड वो पूरी झुंड के साथ कभी अलविदा ना कहना शुरू कर दिया था.
हाँ, मेरे तो वही था कि काम करने मिला था
स्टार स्ट्रक.
बहुत. I mean, I got to work with Bachchan sir also, and I remember I was very young, and he said, like, I didn't share screen space with him, but we were staying in the same hotel. We were together all the time. तो उनके साथ मतलब ज्यादा नहीं कह सकती क्योंकि मैं छोटी भी बहुत थी तो मुझे याद नहीं है. बट एक याद है कि उन्होंने कहा था कि you will go a long way. So that was I think for me.
बताओ सृष्टि आपका स्टार स्ट्रक मोमेंट.
मेरा तो I got to work with Bachchan sir. Nothing could be. मतलब I feel like it came so early in my career and in such a beautiful film with such a beautiful director. तो मैं बहुत खुश थी. फिर उन्होंने जब मुझे खत लिख के भेजा, I can't tell you what that it was. मेरे पैरों के नीचे जमीन निकल गई थी because मैं I mean I've narrated this story so many times, but I like to say it again and again and again. So I was in the loo in the evening, okay.
प्रेम कर दिया वैसे.
अरे सजा के मैं पढ़ती रहती हूँ, बीच में थोड़ा मोटिवेशन मिलता है मुझे. मेरी मम्मी कहती है बाहर आओ. तो मैं बाहर आई. मम्मी कहती है कि अमिताभ बच्चन सर के घर से लेटर आया. मैं बोला what the hell are you talking about, you know? And I see there's this man with a bouquet and a letter, and I took it and I'm looking and I'm crying. And my mom is like, पानी तो पूछो इनसे. तो मैंने बोला आप पानी पिएंगे. वो आदमी वो कहते हैं कि नहीं आप मतलब you must have seen it so many times, but that was it's the most special moment of my entire life.
Awesome girls, you just are so fabulous. तो girls hostel में vibe तो अच्छी होगी ना, all girls together.
Yeah, it's fun. Lots of fun.
Arey, it's yeah. We all four of us are like very good friends, and we just chill, we vibe, we have fun. I think we are very lucky that it's a all girls cast, and we have been like the bond is so great. And कहीं भी कुछ भी jealousy या कुछ भी cold या कुछ नहीं है. It's just हम दोनों पागल हैं सब. हम चारों हम मस्ती करते हैं, खाते हैं, तैयार होते हैं और काम करते हैं. ये बहुत मजा आता है.
पार्टी करते हैं हम लोग बैठ के वैन में.
तो आपके दोनों की अगर कोई wish हो, which is that one thing you want to see changed in the industry in terms of work and content? What is it you want to see to young people? Because naturally the future is in your hands.
Just give us more opportunities, man. We'll bloody kill it.
Yeah, that's it. Just more opportunities, just more chances, yeah. And not judging by how you look or how what मतलब एक वो होगा ना कि हीरोइन लुक नहीं है इसमें. वो अगर हट जाए ना तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि हीरोइन सब लगती हैं यार. थोड़ा सा मेकअप लगाओ, बाल खोलो, दुनिया की हर लड़की हीरोइन लगती है. सो आई जस्ट वांट दैट कि लोग समझें और ये जो हीरोइन लुक आता है ये निकल जाए, इरेडिकेट हो जाए इंडस्ट्री से कंप्लीटली.
Awesome. And जाते जाते एक चीज बता, अगर एक विश होती सिर्फ एक फिल्म करने की दोनों, तो कौन सा डायरेक्टर चूज करोगी और कौन सा को स्टार चूज करोगी और कैसी फिल्म चूज करोगी? सिर्फ एक फिल्म विश है, सिर्फ एक फिल्म कर सकती हो. तो कौन को स्टार होगा, कौन डायरेक्टर होगा?
मैं बोलूं पहले. मेरा तो है रेडी.
बोल.
राजकुमार हिरानी के साथ मुझे काम करना है. सबसे पहला वो मेरे डायरेक्टर हैं और मुन्ना भाई का रोल मुझे प्ले करना है. मेरे को एक्टर कोई भी हो सकता है लेकिन मुझे मुन्ना भाई प्ले. इट्स माय ड्रीम रोल. आई वांट टू प्ले संजय दत्त पार्ट.
तो और सर्किट कौन बनेगा?
सर्किट
मैं.
हाँ,
मैं
we'll be a bloody fabulous team.
Absolutely. ऐसा आपको I can see she's like quite the spunky one.
ऐसा तो ऐसे अटक
मुझे
गई.
करीना कपूर from जब वी मेट and I want to work with इम्तियाज अली. हाय, आवाज आई?
तो फिर वो जब
हाँ
जब वी मेट का फिर शाहिद कपूर कौन होगा आपका?
मैं.
Perfect. Anyways, lovely talking to you, young girls. And, it's just you've given me more energy because there's so much to learn from you all. Because, youngsters really inspire you. Yeah, keep inspiring and keep doing the good work and keep being so spunky the way you are.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you so
Bye,
much.
guys.
Lovely talking to you.
Bye.
Bye.
Same here. Likewise. Bye.
Bye.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.